Share with you a journal that I've made. This is a soft cover journal. It's made using some cardstock which has been sewn onto some plain white cardstock. Sorry, it's patterned cardstock, so it's nice and thick. And on the front here we have, well, this is just attached. It's not actually attached, it's just a wraparound closure, and the bag here is gusseted so you can tuck quite a bit inside there. And I've just got 2 tags, so they just pop in there. And then it's decorated with some digital paper on the background, the Tiffany & Co image here, and then it says Inspire. So let's go inside. Oh, let me tell you what it measures. It measures 8 by 5 1/4. So it's all been stenciled on the inside cover, and the pattern paper here is from Ephemera, and these there's a few of these sayings or the words just throughout the journal, and they are from Dreams Etc. So here we have a corner tuck, the doily to get in a butterfly, got a large tag, some ephemera, some more ephemera, a handmade tag, and a little journaling card. Whoops. This is Fly Away, and that's just been glued on, and the lovely digital paper. Here we have a flip up, flips down, you can journal inside there, or you could glue that closed and create a pocket. Here we have a postcard, some ephemera, handmade tag, and here we've just got a doily to get on a butterfly with some eyelash trim, some edge punching. Here we just have some ephemera paper clipped onto this inventory paper, an envelope. Here we just have some large pieces of ephemera, and this one, and this little journaling card. It says Imagine here, and then we have one of these flip outs. And this just pops in behind. We have 2 tags and a journaling card. That doesn't want to go in, I want to pop it there. That one there, and that just pops in there. Some more ephemera, just paper clipped onto the music paper. Oops. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat because it's so dry with the heating and makes you really thirsty. It gives you a dry mouth. Some more ephemera and a little journaling card. Got a pocket here with some ephemera inside there. This is a great journal to write in. There's lots and lots of writing space. Oh, this one actually comes undone and then all folds out, so you can write on that and then close it all back up. And the large tag, some ephemera, a stamped tag, and a journaling card. It says Faith. We have another pocket here with some vintage ephemera and an envelope. And here we just have a little booklet that I've made, so you can do lots of journaling in there, and it's also a pocket. and it's been decorated with 2 doilies, a ticket and our butterfly. It says Hope. Another corner tuck here with ephemera, 2 tags and a journaling card. And on the back here it says Moments. So that is that journal, and all the details will be on the listing in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.